A doctor placed a white sheet over my head and declared me dead. I was in a coma for 2 weeks. I was completely paralyzed. The only thing I could move were my eyes. This is the story of how I came back. I created this channel to help anyone facing a life-changing health crisis recover faster and regain independence. On March 26, 2022, I had a brain stroke that nearly killed me. I was 100% paralyzed and lost. My only voice was through my eyes. 1 blink for yes, 2 for no. That was it. That was my whole voice. I could hear everything. When that doctor declared me dead, I remember thinking, I know I'm not dead. I can hear you. I moved my head slightly to create an air puff under the sheet. It worked. They realized I was still here. I had to relearn how to walk and talk. It took everything I had to get to where I am today. Simultaneously, I lost my business and my finances were collapsing. I felt depressed, stressed, and completely hopeless. But I fought back. Here is the recovery blueprint that worked for me, and I believe it can work for you too. Exercise daily. Even if you can only move 1 finger, start there. Just like Kill Bill, move your big toe. Work up to 45 minutes a day. Consistency is what drives your progress, not intensity. Stay with it. Don't skip hospital meals. Proper nutrition fuels your brain's recovery and helps you regain mobility faster. I know it's not home cooking, but don't sacrifice your long-term healing for short-term comfort. Use your pain as fuel. My financial stress and struggles became my reasons to push harder in therapy. I didn't bury those problems. I turned them into energy for my recovery every single day. I still do. Take advantage of your recovery window. You have about 3.5 months to make your biggest gains. The brain is most plastic during this window. Stay consistent through discharge. It absolutely pays off. Everything I went through taught me exactly how to rebuild from zero. If it happens again, I know the blueprint. That knowledge belongs to me. Nobody can take that away. You are more capable than you know. Keep going. Recovery isn't easy, physically or emotionally, but you can get better. Stay focused and keep moving forward. If my story helped you, please share this with someone who needs it. You are not alone on this journey. I want to leave you with a question. How well do you really know your surroundings? Think about it. Your energy is your most valuable asset in recovery. Who you let in and who you keep out matters deeply. My self-awareness was 0 before my stroke. Think about yours. How well do you know your own energy? Drop your answer in the comments. Subscribe for weekly tips. Let's keep moving forward together.